Hello everybody, this video is for the beginners, and this is the Toreador song. It's the first thing that's going to happen in our little Carmen opera, and it'll happen a few other times throughout. And the first thing to know about this song is that rhythm, I am a Toreador, and the two fingers you can put on those first little two groups of barred notes that will help you to get that rhythm. Here's the rhythm. And as I'm sure you can hear, I am a Toreador. So that rhythm is the first 7 notes. There's one that's connected to 2 others, and then there's 4 notes that are hooked together. And if you kind of take your fingers like this, you can see that pattern happens 4 times. It's kind of funny how it sort of goes in front of my face like that. So that pattern happens 4 times in each line, and you read it just like you're reading a book. You go straight across, zip down to the other line, cross, down, cross, and then you're done. So if you're practicing your scale in that rhythm, the rhythm should be pretty easy, and all you have to do is figure out the notes. So what I'll do is I'll play the Toreador song now. We'll talk about just a few things, and then if you want in the future, you can practice along with this, or you can go to the other video that has the main melody in it, and you can practice with that as well. So here is the Toreador song for the beginners. So I'll break down just a couple of things. If you had a little problem just playing straight through, which would not be surprising at all, first thing I recommend doing is play each one a little separately with like a little bit of space. And practice each line like that separately. And then what you can do is if you're having trouble from going to line, do the same thing. Play one line straight through with no stops. Take a little time, go to the second line, read it through, and then put it all together, and you should be just fine. Now, remember, the very end has a little bit of a different thing that goes on. Instead of playing the rhythm 4 times, you only play it twice. And then there's some rests, and then you play your last little bit. So here's the last line starting on A. Ba-da-dum, ba-da-da-dum. So if you kind of go ba-da-dum, ba-da-da-dum, or I don't know, maybe some other words like I'm in Spain now, you know, that something, I don't know, you make something up. We'll work on it in class, and hopefully that will help you out. So practice with this video, and then we've got another video coming up as well. Oh, and the reason I'm sitting down is because my other camera is terrible. So stand up when you practice.